What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to do a marvelous, darling. I wanted to do a marvelous glam, giving a marvelous Euphoria type vibe. You dig me? So that is what we're going to be doing today, honey. You see, I ain't did nothing to my face. I'm going to give y'all a fresh face today, and we're going to be definitely starting off with moisturizer. And for moisturizer, my boos that's been here with me, they already know we are still kicking it with the Hello Hydration, okay? So I'm just gonna just take this and just put this like really on my face. What's been going on, boo? What you been up to, okay? Hopefully you guys been doing good. You feel what I'm saying? Doing all you supposed to be doing your dreams. We chasing over here. I don't play with my boos. We be doing what we need to do, okay? So next, y'all know I'm crazy. So next we're gonna be jumping into the e.l.f. Matte Putty. e.l.f. has really been the vibe for the primer, y'all. Make sure you rub it in because it does have like a little white cast, but I kind of like the white cast because if I miss a spot, I could tell. Because sometimes, y'all, I be missing spots on my foundation. I be having like a whole piece. I know in some of my videos y'all probably caught it. Oh well, mind your business. Next, honey, we are going to be jumping into foundation. And since we are going marvelous, we're going to be jumping into the LYS. This is one of my favorite foundations or whatever. Is we doing beauty blender? Matter of fact, let's do a brush today. All right, let's do a brush. So I'm going to just take this brush and I'm just going to press that all into my face really, really good. Don't swipe. Make sure you press down, boo. That gives you a better flawless finish. You know what I mean? Just like this, okay? I think I'm gonna do another layer. Don't be talking. I told y'all I was giving glam today, so we gonna do that pump. We gonna do that little pump, just a little bit, okay? And we just gonna put that like over just a little. Press that in, just press it. Get a little your neck, don't forget the neck. And don't forget it on your ear. Don't never forget the ears, you know? We're going to be jumping right into concealer. And for concealer, I'm going to be starting off with the Pat McGrath. This is the M20. I've been loving this concealer. It has like more of an orange undertone. That's okay with me because I could do orange or neutral on my face. It depends on what I'm going for. You know what I'm saying? A tan, not a red, or orange, like an orange tone. It's different from orange and then pushing down the red burgundy. I'll be looking a mess. Hold on, where is my brushes? Oh, here they go. Child, I don't be playing about my tools. We do not play about tools. Tools matter. So I'm going to be actually using this P. Louise brush. This is the 7071 brush. This is a really good brush. I really love this brush. And I'm just going to lay this real thin under these little dark circles. I know you see them, you know. Just lay that under. Light as a feather. I just feel like when you lay your stuff on, make sure you're laying it on real nice. And I think I'm going to bring this down since I'm getting glam. This is the way I glam. I glam all. I glam it all, baby. Put some on my chin and then put a little bit down my nose, on my forehead. So next we're going to take a little bit of this e.l.f. and this is the tan sand, and I love the tan sand because it's lighter. And we're just going to lay this right here under the eye real good. There's only certain places I want my highlight to be, you know what I'm saying? Like we ain't gotta give too much, but we gonna give it to him, you know? So we gonna just lay it like right here and right here on his nose, his forehead. I'm loving that. I'm loving this already. Already. Are you ready? It's like, no, I play too much. I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to blend this in. Yes, y'all, I'm using a brush today. I might get lazy and start doing a beauty blender. You never know, okay? Because you know I be loving the beauty blender now. But yes, I'm just going to blend this in really, really good. And I think the reason why I like using a brush is because it's like I'm painting a little bit on my face. That's probably why I like it. Especially this real technique. You know what I'm saying? Like, it kind of like dried down a little fast. I don't know why, but it's kind of giving me like, that's why I don't put too much on my face, because I feel like when you put too much on your face, it don't dry down right when you putting so much on your face. Less is always more when you're doing your makeup. You know what I'm saying? Blending that out real good, okay, in between these corners. This eye that I'm thinking about doing, like I'm really thinking about going all the way today. It's like, no, but yeah, it's gonna be a a really cute eye. Y'all gonna love it. Now since we have that down really quick, we're going to start baking. And I am baking the Beauty Bakery. I've been loving the Beauty Bakery lately. I've been actually mixing powders. I don't know if you guys are into mixing your powders, but I like mixing my Beauty Bakery sometimes with my Laura Mercier. Oh my God, when I tell you, you get like a butter. It's like butter, baby. It's serious. You dig me? I just love the way it like lays on your face. So don't tell nobody, don't tell nobody I do. Mixing powders and foundations and concealers, that's definitely nothing new. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just saying, my stuff that I mix my stuff with. So for contour, while we let this like set in, we're going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Cameo Concealer, and this is in the color Rich Ebony. It's like a bronzer, but then it's like a contour at the same time. That's why I love it so much. Okay, you don't need a lot, but you definitely need to hurry up and use it, because if you don't hurry up and use it, it will dry down on your face and make you look a hot mess. Okay, you see, I'm working quickly when I'm using this, and I'm spreading it around, because if you let this sit on your face, it's gonna just sit there like this. And you see how that look on like, do you mind? Hey, morning light. Okay, so you know I'm playing. All right, so now I'm about to just do this nose. As you can see, you see what I'm saying? Like, this sure do not play. And I'm really scared to sometimes use it to with my nose, because I don't want it to get messy, but you know I'm daring. Yes, you know, like, just get in there. Ooh, shut your mouth. Now with this, because it dries down so fast, I do jump right into my powder, and this is the Cocoa Naughty by Fenty Beauty. You know my baby mom pregnant. You know she pregnant right now, but yeah, my baby mom, this is for her. Hey boo. We're going to take that same brush and we're going to jump into that Cocoa Naughty and just brush that as well, since that has dried down. You know how when you start getting beat and you feeling all cute and shit, you be like, ah. So now we done. Oh, all right. You know, when you start getting your makeup done, you what? Like, bitch, I'm her. Okay? It's like, no, I'm playing. All right, so now we're gonna jump into the eyebrows. I don't even know what kind of eyebrow I want to do. Stick around, because I'm not gonna be talking. Just watch this, and if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button while I do my eyebrows. Okay? All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into this P. Louise. This is the Rumor 6 base, and I'm just going to be taking this and laying this over my whole entire lid. I usually use 5 and 6, but unfortunately I'm just going to be using 6 because I just want it to be just chill under my eyes. You know what I'm saying? Pat that out. So for eyeshadow, we are going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie palette. So with that being said, we're going to get creative. Shake it, little shimmy. So we're going to be jumping first into the Tati palette. It's so crazy because our first color that we're going to be using is Tati. And we're going to be putting that all over the crease, warming up the eyes. Did I ask y'all how was you doing? Like, how have you been? Like, what's been going on with you? I have been doing pretty good. I've been just keeping a peace of mind and being focused on my goals, because sometimes life can make you forget, child, especially when you got these kids. Life can be a mess, but I've been sticking to the plan, doing everything I need to do, and just thanking God for it. You dig what I'm saying? All right, my boo, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping right into liner. And for liner, we're going to be using the gel eyeliner, and I'm just going to be taking this gel eyeliner and making some lines. So I'm going to have to be quiet, just like I said. Make sure you guys stick around, pay attention. If you haven't subscribed, baby, make sure you subscribe. Okay, so now since we have that down, we're going to be glamming this eye up just a little teeny bit, and we're going to be jumping into some stones. So before I do that, I do want to jump into pearl, and definitely take that and put that on my brow bone. And then I want to jump into starlight, and we're going to tap starlight over top of the eye. So we're going to be taking the diamonds right here. Instead of doing my inner corner, I'm just going to put a diamond right there. Ooh, camera is about to die, boo. But really quick, we're gonna jump right into the black beach in the Tati palette. It's just a black, that's why I'm not gonna show you. And we're gonna just take that and brush that just like this. And then we're gonna jump into some mascara. All right, my boo, so I real quick got dressed. My camera had died, child, so I said let me get dressed. So really quick, I put my lashes on, I put my lip on, I had cleaned my face, and I actually put a little diamond. All right, so we're going to jump right into it. So next we're going to be jumping into just warming the face just a little bit. So I'm gonna jump into this Mocha Mommy, and I'm gonna take this and warm my face. Not giving too much. Next we're going to jump into the Hot Girl Sunset. This right here, we're going to jump into this light one, this one right here, and we're going to take that and we're going to do just like that. Get a little bit in the middle, get your nose under the chin. Like that looks so pretty. And for lip, we're going to be jumping into the P. Louise. This is the So You Can. And you just need like a little bit, just like that. Ooh, I think I might keep that matte. I mean, what you think? Matter of fact, what we'll do this Be Limitless, the Real Her lip color. And we're gonna take that. Ooh, that looks cute, right? So next we're gonna spray this face. And this is actually the e.l.f. Matte Mist. This is like one of my faves. And this is the final look, baby. Giving marvelous. It's like, no, but I'm just feeling this look, okay? And if you are feeling this look, do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below, my boo. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, we don't know what you waiting for, baby. You see what it's giving? Make sure you do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, okay? So with that being said, boo, I love you so much, okay? Thank you for watching me and watching me grow in makeup. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.